Wrapped in all the nostalgic feel-good stories of farming is a simple truth. Sometimes farming is flat out hard. Through the course of a season, there are times when a busted shear pen can mean acres go unplanted or unharvested. Times when a blown tire can mean cattle go unfed. Sometimes it's the conditions, sometimes it's expectations. Maybe the goal is to survive. Maybe it's to take your operation further than even you expected. In either case, when you look at what it takes to do that, to keep farming as hard as you want with as little interruption as possible, one thing becomes clear. If you farm harder than anyone else, you better be a Firestone farmer.